Hey everyone, Danny here again with FS Manufacturing. Today we want to talk about our FS DAC 100 EC TJ3, built for operators who need flexibility, efficiency, and serious performance. If you're managing turf, roadside applications, spraying anything agricultural, or even food plots, independent spray control isn't optional, it's essential. With 3 electronically controlled spray sections, you can manage your left, right, and center zones individually. That means less overlap, less waste, and better results every pass. Powering the system is a Honda GX160 engine paired with a high-performance ACE GE85 centrifugal pump, delivering 22.5 gallons per minute and up to 57 PSI of consistent flow. Reliable, efficient, built to run when you need it most. The signature True Clean low-profile tank fully drains with our anti-vortex system, helping you eliminate leftover chemical buildup and saving you time during cleanout. And with the premium TeeJet 530 series electric valves, our TeeJet 744 controls, and quality commercial grade plumbing components, you're getting industry trusted parts throughout the system. Paired with the standard 12 to 22 foot spray boom and/or boomless system for great versatility. The included hose reel with 50 feet of 3/8 inch hose and spray wand makes spot spraying quick, easy, perfect for tight spaces and precision touch-ups. It's control when you want it, power when you demand it, precision every time. To find out more, give us a call or visit one of our many dealers near you. Our dealer map is located in the description of this video.